Thank you so much for joining us right here on Morning Scramble, right from the heart of Prescott, everybody's hometown. It's good to see you this morning, and I have something special for you. Well, a great show coming up. First of all, we're going to have back pain. You have back pain? Oh boy, a lot of people do, and it's debilitating. So I have people who will give us a new system to fix that. And also, then we are going to have a storyteller. Now, I'm not sure if it's factual or if it's tall tales. We'll find out about that. And Damon John from Shark Tank will be joining us. So that's the whole show coming up. First of all, we're going to start off with that back pain thing. The Kacelia people. Dr. Evelyn Hayworth, nice to have you with us.
Nice to be here. Thank you.
And Kelly Hayworth.
Nice to see you.
All right, you are so lucky. Your wife fixes back pain.
Oh, boy.
You are a lucky man. So, this Kacelia, tell us a little bit about what this is.
It's a self-treatment system. It's designed to be put on the floor or on a massage table.
Okay.
And it's easy to customize to every size person. It's proudly assembled in America.
And
it's
you
clinical grade.
invented it.
It's my invention.
Because you are a doctor of chiropractic.
That's right.
Okay,
That's
and
right.
why? Why did you decide you needed some kind of a new back system?
Well, you know, to my dismay, as much as I would like to fix people and have them be stable, oftentimes, you know, we put things back and life happens and it goes back out again.
Yeah.
So this wonderful system allowed me to stabilize my most unstable patients. I didn't want anybody to have to feel like they're kind of addicted to me. You know, and I did have people
This
like
is sort
that.
of a do-it-yourself chiropractic treatment. I love that.
It is. It's a wonderful thing. What it does, you customize it to your size, which is easy. You lie on it. You simply lie on it.
Let's see this. Come
Face
on,
down.
jump on there, Kelly. I know you're the guinea pig here.
Yes, I am.
I think he's done this before. He
Oh
kind of
gosh,
knows the
yes,
whole
he's
rigmarole,
a pro.
right?
In fact, it fixed us
Lucky
both.
him. Come
And it's my
on,
good side.
You know, it's like physician heal thyself.
Yes.
I had very severe neck and lower back problems, and I could never get stable, and it was very difficult to adjust me.
So you get it in, but then it doesn't stay, and then it's hurting.
So lying on this 20 minutes every day, it aligns the jaw. Now that was dumb luck. Out of cosmetic reasons, I wanted to do a little facelift, which it does. And then we discovered it's excellent for bruxism and TMJ. It aligns the entire spine, brings the shoulders back. No matter how your pelvis is wrong, doesn't matter. It's idiot-proof. It brings it to the ideal position for your physique.
And so there's no, you don't actually have to do any manipulation on Kelly to make this happen.
No, I got to admit, massage therapists have noticed doing a 5-minute massage on this, crazy. It's crazy good. In fact, we do want to eventually put a video online of how to do that.
Nice.
Our tagline is, even a man will massage you for 5 minutes.
All right, look at that, man. You know, this is a great system. You can do this. Your wife will love you forever.
But you don't need a person. You just lie on it, and you do it 20 minutes pretty much every day at first. Once you're well, you can cut back the frequency.
Well, show us the purpose of each of these things, because I noticed there's, what, about 5 different pads on this?
Well, the face piece does the little facelift, realigns the jaw, and it holds the head up so that we can have gravity induce. See, we're supposed to curve forward. In the neck, we're supposed to curve forward and lower back.
So most your head is balanced.
Yes, exactly. And ideally, if we do a posture app, your ear, the dark part of your ear hole should hit the bottom bone of your neck, C7, and then that should all line up. Mine's of course perfect because I use the system. It also is like passive yoga. It makes you super limber. Even people that do yoga. Why? Because eventually, as you do this 20 minutes every day, not only it's going to pull you apart and put things in alignment, but it's going to limber the muscle attachments. So you get super bendy.
Do you feel this? You know, when you're laying on this, do you feel that kind of relaxing into the correct posture and stuff?
You do. Most people do. People vary. You know how that is.
Yeah.
Most people feel it stretching. Some people say, that table moves. No. You're moving. Some people feel it ratcheting in. Some people feel nothing, and then they get up and they're shocked how much better they are.
Does it does this last? Okay, now you're saying do it every day, so
ideally,
you have to do it a while.
Okay,
because like any habit, like any positive addiction or anything, you need to repeat, I guess.
Oh yes,
to do
carry
that.
through. If you do it partially, you're going to get partial results. If you do it with gusto, 5 days a week or more.
Do it with gusto. How long is, are you doing this with gusto?
Always.
We do it with
This is gusto. I can do this. I can manage this just fine. I'm loving it. What are the marks on the mat? Because the mat is part of the system.
That's for clinical use. Usually, if you're going to do it, or even if a whole family is using it, I know I go like at 28. I know I put the pelvic piece at 28, and then I know the face piece goes here. I bring the shoulder pieces in. I don't really pay attention to the markings. But if you're using it for clinical use, it's almost like a battleship game. The shoulder pieces, you can mark where they go.
You put them right where they go, okay.
Yes, so a physician's assistant would be able to set it up before the patient comes in.
Now, what is the shoulder pieces? They're going here. What are those doing?
They bring the shoulders back. Unfortunately, most of us have forward head posture, and the shoulders go along for the ride. You don't have to head forward and the shoulders back. They go along too.
And you know, with computers, I have to say, Evelyn, you know, we get this horrible poor posture, like, and then your arms go to sleep. I have this situation too, where, you know, you've got to get the nerve things opened up by the correct posture. So this will do that.
You're brilliant.
Kind of a thing.
Exactly, exactly. You can feel it stretching you open.
Sure.
Sometimes, and I warn people, it can even cause a little numbness while you're on there because it's stretching everything. When you get up within 3 minutes, numbness is gone. If you had numbness, it's better.
Wow.
So sometimes we get little curing symptoms, but that happens in chiropractic as well.
Yeah, when you're adjusting.
Yes.
And then I noticed that Kelly is on this pad that's about what? Here, about the thigh.
Yes, we make sure that these ASISs are right at the edge. That makes it idiot-proof. That's the pivot point.
I was just going to say this. I think anybody can figure this one out because it's natural where your body is, you know.
And the only thing
he looks comfortable. You comfortable, Kelly?
The only thing you need to adjust is the pelvic piece. We used one riser. There's a little black piece right here. It comes with 2 risers. Under 130 pounds, no riser. 130 to 250, 1 riser. Over 250, 2 risers.
So that's a support issue.
Right,
somehow.
Because the bigger the person, otherwise it's not going to give enough.
Dip they need.
And you can't overdo it. It would be different if this was like a hammock, then you could overdo it. No, but the table will stop you. We spent 2 years re-engineering, lab testing.
Wow.
We are positive and absolutely this works and will not cause any harm.
What are you seeing? What are you seeing with people who are using this Kacelia system?
Oh, it's amazing. People that were scheduled for surgery for disc problems didn't have to have the surgery. People with bruxism and TMJ, it's incredible. It realigns. I've seen unbelievable for scoliosis. We didn't know it's going to fix scoliosis, idiopathic, which most of them are.
That's
idiopathic
amazing.
means it's not that the bones grew funny. It's that there's a trigger. They found in recent research, there's a trigger in the neck. And almost always when you have forward head posture and scoliosis, you correct the forward head posture, scoliosis straightens.
Where do people get Kacelia? Because this looks like a great do-it-yourself kind of a fix.
Well, the easy way to remember is fixyourachingback.com.
Yes, fix your aching back, because this is going to fix that aching back and all kinds of wonderful things.
Or Kacelia. You
right
could look
there.
up Kacelia.
Dr. Evelyn.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us, Dr. Evelyn Hayworth, and the very kind Kelly Hayworth for being our wonderful model. Good job.
100%
anyway,
guaranteed.
Fabulous. Well, I'm going to try this. Leave us here. I'm going to try it afterwards.
Excellent.
Thank you so much. And don't go away. We're going to take a break. When we come back, we have a raconteur joining us with some great stories of the Southwest. But I also want to tell you that Rachel Ray, you know, she is the greatest cook. She's got a tip today. You will not believe this. It's sort of an ice pack, but not quite. Take it away, Rachel.